My name is Tariq Stone. I'm a writer, video producer, photographer, and editor. I specialize in short-form content that captivates the audience with visuals and emotions. On a normal day, I have to be stationary to edit on my computer. Until now, I've always edited my work on a computer. I never thought a mobile device could be powerful enough to handle my editing, but I was wrong. Not only does LumaFusion run perfectly, in certain areas it somehow outclasses my PC specifically made for editing. The creators of LumaFusion really understand optimization. The beauty of LumaFusion is that it's easy to learn, anyone can do it, and it's industry standard editing software in the palm of your hand. From importing files to adjusting clips and editing audio levels, you'll have everything you need on the go. You never have to stop creating, so create. If you'd like to start your filmmaking journey, go to the App Store and download LumaFusion today.